Mama wakwaba aha GC and page so midin the adwoa searching and then the day kanya wo de ehwe me a mesra na wa subscribe to my channel. We are now don sa emia bell so obenya notification and san news say the betun bia obenya biati and I say obenya bia hwe ewo GC and page ha. Felix Apia edini juma ewo Facebook political zone in Pempi no kasadema NPP amayoku no na Felix say enyo no ye president no nemum de Ghana for ede eye his excellency na nado danko Akufo-Addo no eya de eye de ya yi papa na nado ni ti 2 years na aka no ne ya ekono kwa aka 2 years na besin na Ghana for ye ni so ate pra ya pri na ye ni so bete ye ni so bete ye ni nyina ne se beto aba de ama o manpen dada John Dramani Mahama ne hono na o manpen dada so be kire yen say yes 4 years na yanto ama na yetoma MPP no aka ne pa nto be kire yansa nti Felix Apia kire de Ghana for de na nado na ya because na nado be ye president free SHS mini NAPCO mini 1D 1F mini ambulance mini chese interchange na nado wa ye Ghana yansa nketo akron ni na Ghana for so mo empe because COVID aba hit wiase na economy na ayedin enya se nketo akra ewiase na ayedin obi abedi adase so Ghana for so mo ntiase ena mu twabo na nado ene na nado comment o komeki wo Uteke FM say he kwabri istifo mbeto abama no mu ntuma no emfa ne ho no eya ade na nado o gini din ye papa e wona watwi mu Ghana for mfa ne ho nche no na Felix say de Ghana for de na nado na ene ya because na nado ebe ye president wabo Ghana pa ye ni sei no enti no Ghana for de ni so beti ye enti obo mpa ise 2 years no beso ntem na nado abesia akọ na de mo pe no mo aye na yenti ensem a Felix Apia ede etidwa.
Seriously, I mean like akwesi ajuman the normal person omu di mia say almost den seriously a dear pan and Akufo-Addo kan was a statement we more a year wrong. I don't know why Nana is killing himself for Ghanaians, knowing how ungrateful some. Just a major woman, just almost a Nana card. Just say, thank you, William Kumi. It's Kwabri the only town in Ashanti region. I know Nana ya me yan say. And to Kwabri 4% much say. Apart from Aquine, Yenina Yajitum. Miniano mam walk Kwabri, Yenina Yanimo ya genio. Intimo patches are bang way by apart from road on your mamon, on ye bibia mamu. No intimo common or tomate milk or equaco threaten and say, now only panica say. So we back to Obama MDC and MPP. A year one casa. Obeto aba ediama MPP eyewo NDC eyewo but ono as a president there onim se asudie edane so say saa niam ni na ohwe na oye where did the president go wrong? Hey Akufo-Addo 2 years we dey achieve my bre papa my bre my bro my bre na me kura me tinchen ni na papa wo I feel for you. Eja me am tinchen kura ni o na wo a wo te akonwa no so Akufo-Addo wa bre wate Kwaku Abudani wa bre na Onyankopon omma obre enye kwa obere renye kwa na nado e erenche ojefo reba na nado obere renye kwa pape erenche na ojefo beba na beifo no mo aso mo ani ko ne de ye toko ta osuru ko ta di fra yani omo nkoso ye ni frafo sa akopim so obi abeye sikani ama maka omo beye enviness ni mu papa yo nya mo bobo aban ben na aba 16 regions obi anya bibi nkakrakra aden yakoya de pay say 27 factories enipa over 26,000 and anya adwuma eye Edia na mope Ghana for bayi number na mope se bokore no bayi number nkwa na mope se mo hwe eyimpaso hene ne eyimpaso hemanom edia nkwa siasab na mo ye munja jimiye no na John Mahama wo bibi mama anka 12 years a wodi bedi ade nko ye wo kotena Voice of America o se 4 years na so a ontumi fa anya hwe kobo tape ne natie What they are doing to this man now, I'm getting angry because I'm beginning to see, say, a agenda be said to say, regardless of what this man does, regardless of the fact, all the facts that are pointing to the good things, they would always settle on the little things to just try to make a big thing about it. We are man papa, now we are journalist papa. Now say if you put the office of a journalist, your president came and commissioned factories. Your president came and commissioned roads. Your president came and cut swords for roads, for hospitals and things like that to begin. And that couldn't find the front page of your paper. And you are calling yourself a media. We are media for Yankupon Tiamoka. No me janto to some apprentice now. What the printing was assembly nano or so him. Because I know the papa na mode. Yes, it's in Tibiani the Ebebo media foi. Na the Ebenam no Sudabano won't dear. Ghana media force in Tibia and Webeba and Kwasiafu ebe form so about to say Jimmy for smart ni Onuye TV ni abodan for joy news for and Kwasiafu ni namu ni namu ka ho mo ya mbua mo ma journalists yet time foolish people. Chris Brown came to smoke weed and took 1 million. It made the front page when Ghanaians couldn't benefit. Asia, you call ye hospitals, ya construct hospitals, are you telling me none of it is worthy of your front page than to come and say, President said if you like vote for NDC? Yes, I support the president 185%. So what do you see a vote because come out for party now? For come out put down for party because MPP no emotional thinkers and ne odo ochine bibiba ondo ye mpesa ankwasiafo no ba ye de Yesu apedwa ye de Yesu ja ye de framani abaifu akrati mu mpa de papa abaifu akrati mu mpa de papa e dia na moje ne nanado ho e dia na moje ne nanado ho maami kunadu hwa wonwade papa ya ye e champion hospital wo jesi ho obi ehun de papa ya koye. Appeals court judge for Danya Yadiamaya, judge for Nankasa Jatum Sepapaya Yadie, a Mubia finding newsworthy. There's a good father, the Amonco cancer from fun who they be. But Buakamwa Mutrim was Yafwe Jimmy for Yan sending with him. Also, Jensen in Amapam, no, Sabi, Muninano, and Kunkum with the same Tamwa because Yan sending with him, Muagana and Kosoda. Siaka. Now who MPP ni wusu jina ho enkrofo we kuku ade na nya no kwe e die na president kan wo sa interview we mu a e kire se ombu kwa abrefo. You people are disgrace ene mu amakose agrada ne se hwan bempa chinti mudi jimi no munina mutiri so nyansa ni mutirim because eso abo ne nan de abo ni sunko e chi mahama de hu se mimia na sabi mimia mahama no wu e ko chi de open de ene de bi minya no man nko me bo ne yamo enawia me ba na mom obi abete. I'm coming live this afternoon mo bete san kwase ade na mudi ya the law ne kasa ya the mra ne kasa. Now let me go back to the main job why I came here.
Decided on the drum and say, was a man, Obian souls and into so baby. And the important thing is you never sponsor. I understand.
Jesus Christ. Did Muhammad ever talk like this? Seriously. Did Muhammad ever talk like this? What is wrong with you people? Or say, what penna would they call to a banner de Shewa wonsa? Na otiasie say, asudie dane so say, obe making sure say baby abe develop. This is what this man is saying. Iti diamudi ye de deni na amose denya ke say, what is wrong with Ghana for everybody here, Mahama? Okay, anyways, don't let me give myself up. It's okay. Yeah,
possibility, and we will deal with it.